So with this one, I got to put down these jumbo blocks right here. I got to go all the way up to here, and then this angle iron goes across, and I got to put it all the way up to the ceiling. And then they're going to do the stick stone on the front of it. Just basically K2 stone, dry stack. So what you always got to do is you got to make sure your first course is totally level like that, all the way across. Okay, so there's the one side of the pillar, and then I'm going to do this side right here, and then put the angle iron across. And then I can build it all the way up fast. So what's very important about a fireplace is you got to fill up the whole sides and all the back here with mud. So all the smoke and heat doesn't come up through here. And I just got a few more courses up top. About another 80 bricks or so. And these are solid, just jumbo bricks. Okay, so I put wall ties on every second course. Okay, so I did a good joint and filled up the holes. Now I don't have to joint these because this is not an exposed block wall. But what I do is I always press the joints in really nice because it does make it stronger. And I'm going to do a double jointer. I use this kind of slicker right here, the barrel joiner. Works well.